In this video, I'll show you how to add a wave out text animation, a smooth effect that makes your text move away in a flowing wave motion. Let's get started. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile. From the bottom toolbar, tap on text, then tap Add Text and type the text you want to animate. Next, go to the Font tab and choose a font that fits this effect. Rounded, clean, or modern fonts usually work best for wave style animations. Once your text is ready, tap on the Animation tab. Now switch to the Out section, which controls how your text exits the screen. Scroll through the animations and select Wave Out. As soon as you apply it, you'll see the text move out in a smooth wave pattern. In CapCut Mobile, text animations are applied directly to the text layer, so you don't need any extra layers or effects. To control the wave speed, use the duration slider, drag it to the left for a slow, calm wave out, or drag it to the right for a fast and energetic exit. Preview the animation and adjust the timing so it matches the flow of your video. And that's it. You've successfully added a wave out text animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fully detailed CapCut Mobile text animation tutorials.